If you are thinking about joining LiveGood, there are some things that you need to know before you make that decision. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, LiveGood, in my opinion, is one of the best online business opportunities out there. Thousands of people are joining LiveGood every single week, and you might be thinking about, becoming one of these people. All right, so here's the thing. All right, because I'm doing this video because a lot of people join LiveGood and they quit, right? Like within like a couple weeks, right? It's happening a lot, and it's just mind-boggling to me. I'm like, damn, like why are people quitting LiveGood? Like, this makes no sense to me at all. If you took the time to pay your $40 affiliate fee, all right, and then maybe pay the $9.95 a couple months, whatever, so you spent $50-$60, and then you turn around and quit, what I'm saying, a month later, 2 months later, which is it's crazy, right? If you are watching this, hopefully this video will help you make a very, very good decision when it comes to LiveGood. First and foremost, if you decide to join LiveGood, you need to look at it as a long-term business. All right. I think a lot of people, I don't know what videos they see or what Facebook ads they see, but some people get under the impression that they can make, $5,000 in a month in LiveGood, right? Now, maybe if you lucky as hell, that's possible, but it's highly unlikely that you're going to be making some serious money after the first month or two in LiveGood. That's just the reality of it, right? Now, can you potentially earn $5,000-$10,000 a month in LiveGood? Hell yeah. But you got to at least give it a year or two to hit those kind of numbers. Now, if you get out there and you really bust your ass and LiveGood, yes, you could do it in 6 months to a year. It's possible, right? But people are joining LiveGood on some, hey, where's my spillover money I was promised? I've been in 3 weeks. I literally seen people who's been in LiveGood like not even a month already complaining because they're not getting any spillover. Like, if you're that type of person who thinks like that, man, don't mess with not only LiveGood, don't mess with none of these network marketing opportunities, right? None of them. That's just not for you, right? So the first thing is, like, straight up, like, look at it long term, right? The second thing is, you need to be willing to promote this opportunity if you join it. Once again, a lot of people get hyped on LiveGood. They're like, hell yeah, LiveGood. Oh my God, the products. Oh man, these webinars and these teams, and I'm all in. So people, they get in, they become an affiliate, right? They get told what to do. They say, hey, go in your back office, get your affiliate link and start promoting it, start pushing it. People are like, yeah, hell yeah, I got it. They might post once or twice on their Facebook wall, right? They might message 5-10 people maybe that they know. They might do 1 or 2 YouTube videos, and then that's it. And then they're like, damn, I ain't getting no signups yet. Like, come on, man. Like, this shit ain't real. I posted 3 times on Facebook, nothing, right? No, you need to have a little strategy. It does not have to be complicated. It does not have to be hard, but have some sort of strategy going into your LiveGood business. You need to decide, how are you going to promote the LiveGood opportunity, right? Are you going to make YouTube videos? Decide, right? Are you going to make Facebook posts, right? Decide. Are you going to get flyers created and go offline? You got to decide that, right? But whatever it is, commit to that strategy for a good 3 to 6 months. Work the hell out of that strategy, all right? Because I ain't gonna lie to you, all of my affiliates have come from YouTube. Why? Because I promote 85% of LiveGood on YouTube, and I do a little bit on Facebook, right? But I haven't had that much success on LiveGood. Majority of my success has come from YouTube, but that's just me. You might be a Facebook person, so that's what you need to work, right? Or offline or whatever, all right? And then another thing that you need to understand before you join LiveGood is the people that make the most money, right? Or let me say it a different way. The best way to make the most money in LiveGood is from the 50% matching bonus, because people gonna talk about, okay, the $25 commissions, fast start, that's cool. Then people talk about, oh, what you can make from your matrix, right? But your matrix, you're only gonna get 25 cents per person, right? In your matrix thing, right? But how the real money is made from your personal referrals, you're going to get a 50% matching bonus for whatever they make, all right? So if you break it down, say you had 10 personal referrals, right? And each one of those referrals were making $100 a month from their LiveGood matrix, right? So you got 10, right? You got 10 referrals making $100. So what is that? $1,000, right? $1,000 from your affiliates. You're going to get a 50% matching bonus. So from their efforts, you're going to be getting $500 a month. Straight up. Now that is dope, right? But you need to understand that. So if you come into LiveGood, come into the mindset of, all right, I want to get my personals. I'm gonna promote this. This is my business. I'm gonna snatch up them $25 commissions, which is dope. But you're going to earn 50% from whatever those people earn. You're not gonna earn 50% matching bonuses from spillover, right? From other people putting people on your team. You're not. You're only going to get the bonus from your personal referrals. That is what you need to understand about LiveGood. All right. So just a quick recap, right? The first thing you need to understand is look at LiveGood as a long-term business, right? Go into it knowing you're going to put 1 to 3 years in. All right. The second thing is you got to promote the opportunity. But the good news is there's many ways you can promote LiveGood. All right. And last but not least, if you want to make the big money, it's going to come from your personal referrals, 50% matching bonus that you're going to get. All right. So hopefully you understand that. Now, if you are ready after hearing all this information, you ready to jump on a popping team, my team, all you gotta do is click that first link in the description and I will see you on the squad.